Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix projecting to this PC is grayed out after updating Windows 10 or 11. So guys, to resolve this problem, click on Start. Now in here type optional features, open optional features. Now in here click on view features, add an optional feature. Now type wireless display. Now check this box wireless display, then click on next. Now click on install. Now wait till this installing procedure will be complete. And after installation, you need to check here in this list. So you will find wireless display. Now scroll down and guys, you need to find out here wireless display. So close it and now restart your PC or laptop. So like this guys, you can fix projecting to this PC is grayed out after updating Windows 10 or 11. So thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.